Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you my 2019 vision board goals. I'm really excited to share this with you because maybe it can inspire you to go ahead and create your own vision board. Maybe you want to do it digitally or maybe you want to do it, in the physical. I also did one last year and I showed you guys how to do one. This way is going to be a little bit different, which I found to be a little bit more easier. So let's get into this video and let's get pumped up for 2019. So let's go.
Know if you could take it. No, you wanna see me naked, naked, naked. I wanna be a baby, baby, baby. Spinning in his red just like he gave.
So the site that I'm using this time around is called befunky.com. It's a really great app that I found just browsing YouTube and I think just online, period. Right now, I was trying to figure out the different collages that I wanted to do. So I ended up finding it. So I'm gonna pick this one, which I thought was really cool because it had a variety of collages to use, and you can put your own photos in. And I'll just go ahead and start looking on Pinterest for a lot of my inspo. So the first thing I am going to be searching is Bora Bora. I won't be going in 2019, but I will be planning it for 2020. It's best to start early if you are a traveler, and that is the type of person that I am. So I want to plan our trip to Bora Bora for our 6-year anniversary, and I can't wait. So it's in there. It's in the first collage. I'm super excited about that because that is something that I can't wait to plan. And I'm going to go ahead and name my vision board and just put like a simple name until I find a great picture I want to put in there that really will take the focus of my year. Each year you should have a theme, whether it's to motivate, inspire, uplift, whatever your motivation is for that particular year. It's very important to find a theme so that you can really stay on top of your goals. So the next thing I'm going to be searching for is a new job. I would love to have a new job in 2019 because I need more growth opportunities. I know I've expressed that a lot, and I really am looking forward to finding a new job so I can be able to invest in the things that I'm truly passionate about. And then, of course, I'm really looking forward to focusing more on my fit goals, which I've actually started now, which you will see a weekly video from me coming really soon about my fit journey again, because I really want to hold myself accountable in 2019 and just keep inspiring. That's just why I started YouTube. And so I want people to know it's okay to fail, it's okay to fall, and it's okay to start over. So the next thing on my list is to save. I really want to save more money in 2019 because, as you all know, we purchased a home, we invested in our home with furniture, and life happens. So I just really want to invest in my savings and build it back up. That way I can continue my financial freedom journey because I one day want to be my own boss and I don't want to have a car payment, don't want to really have credit cards. So that is something that I'm looking really heavily on. So next on my list is my YouTube. I really want to keep growing my channel. I feel like this year I did what I wanted to do. I accomplished my 1K goal. So now I'm moving on to that 5K goal. And I'm really excited about it because doing YouTube is not easy, but I'm really passionate about it. So let's keep going. I really want to work on is my makeup. Like I told you guys, I really like practicing. I do the Come Learn With Me segment. So I really want to focus more on that this year as well because I really felt like I didn't get to dedicate enough time. So I do have a video coming up with it, but I just felt like it was trash. But I'm still going to post it. And that's the thing. I just want to keep being vulnerable with my makeup because I know everyone has to start somewhere. So I just want to find an inspirational quote because I do believe I just want to keep inspiring everyone. I feel like inspire is just something that I love to do, and I try to be authentic with my inspiration as much as possible. And that's kind of what I am looking forward to in 2019 because I had so many people say to me, Steph, you motivated me, you inspired me, and I just love how real you are. So I want to keep doing that. I want to keep being humble in that feeling of inspiration. So, another great thing that I really am looking forward to is more couple time, more getting date nights, vacations in, making sure we put our marriage at the forefront of everything, even though we are super busy individuals, alone and together. That's what I'm really happy about. So, of course, everyone needs self care, and I felt like this year I did a minimal. So, I want to make sure I'm actually incorporating a little bit more of self care into my life because 2018 was really rough, even though it had great things happening. Losing my grandmother was challenging, and I just want to make sure I'm taking the best care of myself in order to be great for YouTube, in life, period. So, let's let's make better self-care things going. So, another great thing is I want to keep being organized. I feel like I can be 10 times better with my organization on certain levels, whether it's home, work life, business life. I want to make sure I'm dedicating organization with my computer files, my desk, my office, whatever it is that you want to be organized in. I just want to do a little bit more better in making sure things are 10 times organized because it can be a lot when you have a business. So another thing is meal prepping. Yes, I already have something down for fit goals, but meal prepping is like in a category of its own because I want to make sure I'm not eating out at all. I want to do 10 times better than what I did this year with saving money on groceries, whether it's couponing, whether it's just finding great deals for me and my family. That's my number one goal. So I definitely want to grow my businesses in 2019, whether it's YouTube, Your Personal Budgeter, and Heart Armor. I just want to put more effort and growth into them and keep building them as much as possible and getting more sales and just getting out there, period. I know everyone thinks they are an excellent parent, but sometimes we feel like we fall short. So I just want to make sure I keep being a great parent and role model for my children. I know life can throw us many darts, meaning someone can test you and you do something that you will regret. And I just want to keep being a great role model for my children because I know what it's like to have anger issues and I know what it's like to be tested. And I will keep being tested because that's just the way life goes. So I just want to keep being a great mom. I just want to keep being a great role model to my two. So my next key thing for my vision board is motivate. I just want to keep motivating everyone. I feel like I do a great job of doing that. So that is kind of another key aspect I want to keep doing because we all need a little bit of motivation, whether it's fit goals, whether it's YouTube, whether it's finances, or just anything that you feel like you can motivate someone to do because we all need it. We all fall short. And I think that's going to be my key word for the year of 2019 is keep motivating, inspiring, and uplifting. Those are my top three words that I love to do. Of course, I have many others, but I feel like those ones just sink because it allows you to be real. It allows you to remember why you started in the first place. And like I just said, I definitely want to keep uplifting everyone. That is just something that I really like to do. And that is my 2019 vision board goals. I feel like it's very realistic, very obtainable to do. Of course, I have a lot of other things that I want to do, but I feel like these are the key aspects that I really, really, really want to focus on, especially with my finances. I told you guys before, I want to save a certain amount of money. You know, I'm planning a great trip in 2020 that will require a lot of money to come out. So I just want to keep inspiring, motivating, uplifting, and focusing on my fit goals, inspiring you guys on YouTube and outside of YouTube, being organized, being a great mother, wife, friend, sister, and just doing what I have to do to get where I'm trying to go. So until next time, guys, I will see you, and I really hope that this video has uplifted you and inspired you to get on the grind of getting your goals and speaking life into those goals. So I hope this video was very inspirational, even though it was me doing a voiceover.